Hi everyone, this is my midterm, the screencast tutorial video, and my video's purpose is to show all of you how to find the best and honest soccer sources in soccer journalism. There's a lot of fake news and misinformation in soccer, and I want to show you guys how to find the best people to give you the best information. My target audience are people who want to view my blog, which is Soccer Out of Context, and my blog offers good, honest soccer information and acts as a secondary source to the honest sources I'm about to show you. So this website is The Athletic, and it is one of the most reputable soccer journalist websites at the moment. In the last couple years, they've invested heavily into their soccer section, and as it says here, they have a smart, in-depth soccer coverage from an all-star team of writers, and they really do have an all-star team of writers. They recently hired some of the most coveted journalists in the UK, and they did this in order to like finalize themselves as like a proper soccer source. So what happens is the journalists that work at this website have direct and inside sources to specific teams, and then those teams will give them direct information that they can write in articles that they post here. And then websites such as Bleacher Report, ESPN, they will take the information from this website and post it on their website as a secondary source. Obviously, they will cite The Athletic first, but what I'm trying to tell you guys is that The Athletic is the stem of all soccer news around the world. And however, The Athletic isn't the only website that acts as this. There is another website that I will show you later, but The Athletic does have this filter search at the bottom where you can choose your favorite team. My favorite team is Arsenal. And then, so let's see, David Ornstein. So they give articles written by these like authors who have direct source to Arsenal. So David Ornstein, before he joined The Athletic, he was 12 years a sports journalist and correspondent at the BBC, but he was directly reporting for BBC for Arsenal, only for Arsenal, which is why I know him because I'm a big Arsenal fan. And I've mentioned in a lot of my assignments that I've written for this class that there are soccer journalists who are so popularized and loved by the fans because they give such good, honest information at like in like a swift fashion that these journalists will receive like funny monikers and nicknames from the fans, and actually they end up becoming like cult figures and loved by the soccer community. And a good example of that is this person, Fabrizio Romano. So he works for The Guardian, which won a 2019 Journalist Award in the UK. And I think that's saying a big deal because there are a lot of faulty journalist websites in the UK, such as Daily Mail. But this guy, Fabrizio Romano, if you search this guy's name on Google, he's just such a cult figure in soccer news that, I mean, there are things written about him like meet Fabrizio Romano, the king of football transfer news. So that basically means people see him as the king of soccer rumors, which is a pretty big title for any journalist. Um, and The Guardian also has the section for soccer, and you can click here on clubs and look how many leagues. There are over 10 leagues in 4 different countries here with so many hundreds of teams here, and you can just click on any team you want. My favorite team is Arsenal. I'll click on Arsenal and then look at all this. They have their own sports blog for Arsenal, soccer news and updates with all these scores, and I mean, all these like insider information. I mean, they have an article here written directly by a former Arsenal scout. It is a really good way to find good information on The Guardian and The Athletic. And then lastly, another great way to find information is by using Reddit. And this is actually a very underrated rated way to use uh, to find soccer journalists. So r soccer is one of the most popular subreddits on Reddit with over 2 million users, and a lot of people post articles and stuff. So this article is posted by someone, and when something is in brackets like here, this is the source. So James Pierce is the source. If we're gonna click on James Pierce here, and he ends up actually being a reputable author for The Athletic. So this is a great way to find journalists for your favorite team. You just look in the brackets, click on them, and if it applies to your favorite team, you can start following him and you'll get good news from him. I think the methods I've shown you guys is a great way to find your favorite journalists, and I hope you guys can find them as well.